Hi, I was looking at Sadie Whitman's data online on Lexia, and this is what I am noticing. According to Lexia, she is at the level you guys are telling me, and I did notice she only used Lexia for 20 minutes this week. She needs to use it for 60 minutes in order to start leveling up. I do like to see this chart right here that shows the overall year, and I'm seeing a little bit of growth, and that is good. She's making about a year's growth this year. When I look at more details on the skills, this is where I can see if it's too hard, too easy, or just about right. I'm seeing a lot of scores that are high and fast, like level 8 that she's currently on. She is completing it really high and fast. Same with multiple meaning words and two-syllable words. I did notice that there is a low and slow here for silent E construction, so that just means it's a little bit trickier for her. She spent about 39 minutes total so far on just this one task. If I open it up further, I can get a little bit more details. And I can see for this one, she completed the beginning activities with I and A once, but once they added in U, O, and E patterns, then she was repeating it a little bit more. But these numbers are not too disconcerting for me. I've seen much worse where there's like 2 rows of colored squares. And just so you understand what it means, the yellow dot means that the student wasn't able to get through just the standard practice or standard instruction. The green square, that is the typical activity that every student is given. So then they pare it down and give less options in the guided practice. If a student still cannot get that, then they go down even further to the yellow direct instructions. Sometimes students get it at the blue square, and so they have an opportunity to excel at the green square and just move on. So that's why you'll see some green, blue, green, blue. But overall, I don't feel like this is a hurdle that is too impossible. But I would tell the student to limit the time on maybe silent E. I would give the student other activities to help them with this one activity if they're really frustrated. And if they're really just done with Lexia, we could look into another option. But I really feel like this is just a student that needs to spend a little bit more time on Lexia, and it'll start leveling up quickly.